Welcome to 5 Minute Friday. Today's topic is the power of habit in 5 minutes or less. I didn't really want to do a 5 Minute Friday today, and yet here we are. You see, I've been doing this every week for a while, and at this point, it's actually more painful for me to not do a 5 Minute Friday than to do one. It's become a habit. And one thing I've learned is that habits are super powerful. Whenever you start doing something, there's always some initial activation energy that's necessary. After you've started, it's pretty easy to keep going. Inertia works in your favor. The hard part is always that first little bit. You have to get the ball rolling, and that takes some effort. However, there's a trick that you can play on your brain. As something becomes a habit, it reduces the level of effort that you need to get started. At some point, your brain starts to crave the habit. It becomes more effort to not do the thing. This is an incredibly powerful tool. You can use habit as a superpower for doing a lot of things. Learning languages, writing automated tests, getting healthier, getting better at just about anything. It can take a while to build a habit. The amount of time varies, but most habits take a couple of months to form. Habit building is how I've run multiple marathons. It turns out that the hardest part of running a marathon isn't actually running the marathon. The hardest part of running a marathon is the first few weeks of training where you're building up the habit of going out for a run. Knowing that you're building a habit is really helpful during that initial period. When I first started making YouTube videos, part of my motivation for making a video every week was the knowledge that I was building up the habit. Now, well, here we are. My personal role model for using habits as a tool is Arnold Schwarzenegger. Every morning, Arnold gets up, makes coffee, feeds his pets, checks his email, and then does a bike ride and a gym workout. Finally, he has breakfast. He's had that same routine for decades. He's still doing it at 76 years old. Amazing. Anyways, I may not have wanted to make a 5 Minute Friday this week, but thanks to the power of habit, you're watching this right now. Hopefully, that makes us both a little happier. Thank you very much.